Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use CapCut keyframes for smooth transitions. Now, CapCut keyframes allow you to create smooth animations by marking the starting and ending point for parameters like scale, position, rotation, and opacity. The app automatically generates the frames in between, and you can refine the motion curve for professional finish. Now, place your playhead where you want the transition or movement to begin, right? Select your clip and tap the keyframe icon, a diamond with a plus sign, okay? Now move the playhead to where you want the transition to finish. Now adjust the clip by moving, zooming, or rotating, basically. A new keyframe will be added automatically, right? By default, you can also add keyframe transitions move at a constant robotic speed. Applying a graph creates natural acceleration and deceleration, right? So tap on your clip and select graphs, or tap directly on the white line between your two keyframes. Choose a preset like ease in, start slow, speeds up, or erase out, right? Or you can choose the scale here, right? This is where you're going to be able to control the motion, right? And for precise custom curves, use the custom graph, right? By swiping left, or by simply creating one on your own, right? To bend the animation exactly how you want. So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.